This is our eco chamber. We have an aquatic layer here with algae and a fish whose name is Schiff, and there's rocks at the bottom. It's then connected with a tube to our land layer, which is soil, radish plants, and a cricket who either drowned in the soil or committed drastic suicide.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. The purpose of this project was to track the relationships and interactions of different organisms in a sealed container and see if they could coexist. We relied on the carbon-nitrogen cycles to keep our organisms alive.
This is our eco chamber and how we constructed it. We took a tube and cut out holes in the bottle and took the tube and connected the two bottles so that they would be sealed. In the land layer, we stood the bottle up on two cups so that it would be level with the water layer. Some problems we had during construction were making sure the land layer was flat so the plants wouldn't collapse, as well as keeping the entire thing sealed.
Oh, hello. Back so soon. Here are some biotic and abiotic components of the biosphere. The biotic parts are fish, elodea, algae, radish plant. The abiotic parts are rocks, water, and soil.
So this is our data from day 1. Our quantitative measurements and observations were the ammonia levels, which were a little high, and our nitrate levels, which were about 0, which is good. And our quantitative observations were the color of the algae and the color of the water. So this was our data set for the last day, and our quantitative observations were the ammonia levels and the nitrate levels, which were perfectly good, and our qualitative were, again, the color of the algae and the states of our organisms. I think what changed in our eco chamber over the process of the experiment was that in the beginning, the fish and plants weren't sort of like reacting to each other and sort of sharing resources, and so the levels were changing, and the plants started taking up more nitrate and ammonia once the days went on, so the levels sort of straightened out.
Oh, you must really love me. In conclusion, our experiment was successful. Although we lost our cricket, our levels of nitrate, ammonia, and oxygen were fine. Our animal and plants in the aquatic and land layers, besides the cricket, stayed alive and thriving. In order to make our experiment better, we would have kept track of our cricket and changed the way our land layer bottle was oriented so the radishes could have grown taller. We also could have done a better job sealing our eco chamber. Goodbye!